Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to block someone on Google Chat. If someone in Google Chat is bothering you or simply you don't want to interact with them anymore, blocking them only takes a few taps. First, make sure you have the Google Chat app installed and open it to reach your main chat. From there, select a conversation with a person you want to block. You might notice there isn't visible options menu inside the chat itself, so instead, tap on a person's profile icon at the top of the screen. This opens their profile details. Scroll down until you see the block and report option. Tap it, and a confirmation message will appear explaining that the person won't be able to message you directly and your messages in shared spaces will be hidden from you, although they can still see messages you post in group spaces. If needed, you can also check the box to report them. Finally, confirm by tapping block, and that's it. The user is now blocked. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.